Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Fraser here, another fragrance video here with my girlfriend Kelly.
Hey.
So I picked up another Creed fragrance. This one I really liked it a lot. I got it on sale. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know I'm not the biggest Creed Aventus fan. And no, it's not Creed Aventus, but I did buy another Creed fragrance. I got it on sale. I picked it up at FragranceNet. I got it for about $180 something. So let's get right into the video. So it's the box it comes in. And the fragrance that I picked up. It's one that me and my girlfriend both like, especially when I wear. I tried it a few times at the Creed Boutique. It's no other than Creed Viking. I picked it up for about $180. They had 37% off, so it's 1.7 ounce. I didn't want to get the big bottle because I feel like I have so many fragrances that I probably won't be able to empty this out. So I'm going to go over the notes and show you the box presentation, first impression, see if my girlfriend still likes it on my skin. So this is the box it comes in. Red silver little box. Top Creed. Back Creed information. Bottom here has the batch code.
He's been stalking this one for a while.
Trying to get it cheap. Inside has a little cool packaging. Do have a beautiful presentation though. Inside picture, pretty cool. And then he has another one. Information, pretty cool. So bottle is pretty too. So bottle here. Bottle. Viking. Information at the bottom. Cool cap up top. It's not magnetic, but it does snap into place. So I'm gonna let her hold this while I go over notes real quick. And then notes in this fragrance here we have bergamot, Sicily, lemon, rose, pink pepper. We have peppercorn, peppermint. We have sandalwood, vetiver, patchouli, lavender. Okay, so I got this for about $182 online with tax and everything. And if you want to get it the regular retail route, which is expensive, but it's up to you if you want to go to retail route. You're looking at $355 for 1.7 ounce bottle. If you want to go 3.4 ounce 100 ml, you're looking at $495. And if you want to go to get the real big size 200 ml, 250 ml, you're looking at $820. I'll leave the link down below where you can pick it up the retail route or on FragranceNet. So I'm going to spray this and see if she still enjoys the fragrance. Sit for a minute. Yeah, I've been looking for this one for a while. I tried it boutique, I liked it, but I just didn't want to spend $355. A lot of money for a fragrance, especially when I have so many other fragrances in my collection. Now, if I didn't have many fragrances in my collection, I would probably get this right away because I enjoy wearing it and she enjoys smelling off of me. So I do enjoy. I got it for a decent price, so I can't complain.
You got a bargain shop. Yes, it smells very nice. I do like the hint of peppermint, but peppermint's a very strong flavor, and this is well balanced, I feel. And
when I sprayed this a few times, I was at the Creed Boutique store, then I went to Neiman Marcus to Creed in there. I still get that peppermint. As soon as you just spray the fragrance, I do get some of the spice in the fragrance too. It is a refreshing fragrance. It's nothing that's off-putting. I feel like you can wear this and nobody's going to feel like it's overpowering or nothing like, oh, you can't wear this fragrance at all. It's just safe. It's clean. There's no worries. That's how I feel about this fragrance here. I really feel like you can wear this fragrance all year round. The signature scent, if you want to have one fragrance. There's nothing wrong with it. Now, I really enjoy this one a lot. I do have some Mountain Water, and I do like Virgin Island Water too, which I'll probably pick up down the road. But it's just, this is one I really do like, and I was trying to get a decent price for it. And I'm very happy I got it. So, Creed Viking. 1.7 ounce bottle. I will have a full review coming up soon, checking the projection and longevity. Hopefully I can bring my girlfriend back on, or I'll have Liz, or I'll bring another girl on the channel. So thanks for watching this video, ladies and gentlemen. If you are new to fragrances and you want free giveaways and you like free fragrance information and stuff, please subscribe to the channel down below. Please hit the like button. Please leave a comment down below. Thanks to all my subscribers that continue watching my channel to support my channel. Until my next fragrance video, ladies and gentlemen. Bye.
Bye.